Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you unhide your hidden apps on your iPhone. So let's start up the process. You can see your hidden apps here, scroll until your app library is open. Now scroll down, at the bottom you can see hidden apps. Tap on this option. Now Face ID. Now at the top app library, you can search here your hidden apps. For example, Instagram. Now tap on Instagram. Now here you can see fifth option, add to home screen. To unhide this app, tap on this option. Now here you can see Instagram at your desktop of your iPhone. So if you have any question about the whole process, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.